Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here's a new video that we're gonna do today, and this is gonna be a Ganesha painting sitting in a forest and with a peacock. So let's get started. But before going to the video, I'm just gonna tell you that all that whatever I'm gonna use here, the materials are mentioned in the description below. You can check them out. And now the painting. So I accidentally deleted the first part of the video, but I'm just gonna explain you what I did. So the first I painted the background and with the teal blue color, some white, and on the edges there is black color. Then I drew the Ganesha with a pencil, and I gave them just a little bit of lighter shade base coat, so that I know which color will go where, and the peacock as well. And in Ganesha's skin, you can see on the right side, I'm going to make it look in lighter shade. I suppose like some kind of light is falling from that side, and so that's why the other side of the Ganesha is gonna be of darker shades, and which will be given in red or somewhat a little bit tinge of pink colors. So to paint those background trees or branches, what you need to do here is take some teal blue color or turquoise color and then mix it with a little bit of burnt sienna, not too much, so that it still have the tinge of turquoise, so that it won't look much darker, because we are trying to show it like they are far behind, the Ganesha. They are not too close. They are behind, like too far from him. So that's why I'm choosing this lighter shade here. And then I'm gonna give some, leaves on the background, so that it will give a feel of a forest. He's sitting in a forest. Okay guys, so I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please give me a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and I'll come up with a new video next week, and till then, bye bye, see you next time.